In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam needs to be online to update in Windows. If Steam keeps insisting it has to be online before it can update, even though you're connected, follow along and we'll walk through a few quick fixes that resolve the issue without reinstalling anything. First, make sure your internet connection is actually working. Open a web browser and load a couple of different websites to confirm pages are responsive. If those load, launch Steam and sign in with your credentials. Sometimes Steam gets stuck in offline mode and won't even attempt to update. If you see that, fully close Steam from the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, switch to the Processes tab, and end any Steam-related tasks you see. Then reopen Steam. In the top left, click the Steam menu and choose Go Online. This forces Steam to reconnect and often clears the offline flag that blocks updates. Give it a moment to establish the connection. You should see the Store and Friends list populate once it's back online. Next, refresh Steam's download data. With Steam open, go to the Steam menu, choose Settings, then open the Downloads section. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will close itself and restart automatically. This wipes temporary update files that can become corrupted and cause the needs to be online loop. Because the cache is tied to downloads, clearing it often fixes stuck update manifests and mismatched data that confuse the updater. After Steam relaunches, sign in again and check for the update. Don't worry, this doesn't remove your games, it only clears cached download data. Finally, make sure Steam has the permissions it needs to write and update files. On your desktop, right-click the Steam shortcut and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click Steam. exe and choose Properties. Switch to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, and if you like, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations as well. Click Apply and OK. Running as admin helps Steam access protected folders and services during updates, and disabling full screen optimizations can prevent odd behavior with overlays and network handshakes on some systems. The next time you start Steam, Windows may ask for confirmation. Allow it so the update can complete. You can always revert these changes later by returning to the same checkbox. After these steps, Steam should be able to go online and update normally. If it helped, feel free to share it with someone else who's stuck. Thanks for watching.